Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how it will move on Monday. If you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.9810. There is a continuous downtrend we have seen. If you look at this particular trend, there is a clear indication that there is a continuous fall. Okay, till the time it is not going above a level of $3.0750, we will not see a further upside movement, because there is a probability that it has to sustain above this particular zone. So if it's sustaining above this level, we can see a further upside. Otherwise, a probability of going further down we can see, because there is a range. So once this range break fall, a further downfall we can see, or if it started sustaining above this level, a further upside movement. Okay, if we go and I'll show you a 15-minute chart, you will see that how much volatility is there. You have to understand. See, a good volatility we have seen. If we go and look at the 15-minute chart, see trend, both side it is moving. Okay, as well as it is hitting its day high, as well as going below a day high. That is what the volatility we have seen if we go on a 15-minute chart. But overall trend for the day wise, you can say there is overall trend is downside if we look at this particular zone. Okay, so once if it form a swing and started going above a level of $3.075, chances are high we can see it can a little upside movement we can see, and then if it goes above a level of 3.5, or further upside movement we can see. Okay, once it started moving out 3.7 up, this gap can be filled and there is a higher chances that a further high we can see. But if started going below a level of 2.5, then a further fall we can see. Now it is below $3, so we can see that it will move again in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, so now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, first, second, third, fourth and fifth time, you can see this is the level. This is the level where we can see, and there is a continuous downfall. Okay, this downfall is after the war we have seen in the Ukraine and Russia. And if you look at this particular this level where the Israel war has happened, where it has moved out of this particular $3 zone, and then upside movement we have seen twice. Okay, so now what we can see looking at this particular chart for the Monday, see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are high that it will not sustain, because it is already below a level of $3. We can see it will move towards a level of $2.897. Okay, if the price fall below this particular level, we will see that it will go further down, and a probability of touching 2.7621 can come towards a level of $2.7982. And if it started moving below that level, we can see a level of 2.5886. Okay, and it started going below this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.4898. And if it started moving below this level, a further fall we can see. Okay, and once started going below 2.4, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.2, and then from there a fall towards 2.1 we can see. Okay, so once started going below this particular level, a further fall we can see, and then there is a probability that it can go further down. There is a higher chances that it will go further low, because it has already moved below a level of $3. Now you have to understand something. Okay, what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that the market is uncertain. You have to remember this. Okay, market is uncertain. So if the price, if it forms, see, if you can see a little swing is forming. Okay, overall trend is downside also, but if started sustaining above 3.057, then a little upside we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout also. So we can see there can be a probability of going further ahead. But see, volatility is there, overall trend is downside. But if you look at this green candle, see, it tries to go upside, and suppose if it breaks a level of 3.175, then a trend, or this trend will break, and a further upside movement we can see. So if it started forming a swing, so always remember, if the price started moving opposite what you have traded, try to set your SL before you take a trade. Okay, and so now if you're trailing your SL, then your profit can be saved if you are in profit. So always try to trail your profit. Okay, when you start your for a trade, always set your SL, so that if the market not move according to you, it will save your capital. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3.0414, which is already being tested. So chances are high it will go further upside towards 3.0812. Okay, once the price started moving up that level, we will see it will go towards a level of $3.2204. Okay, and once started going above this particular level, chances are high it will go towards a level of around 3.3224. Okay, and once the price started going above this particular level, chances of going further upside we can see, and then a probability of touching 3.5524 is there. Okay, and once started going above this level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 3.7346. Okay, and once started see after $3.3 we can see a level of 3.5, and from there we can see a level of $3.736, and once started going up this level we can see a level of 3.95. Okay, see this is the level we can see. If it started going above this level, we can see it will go in this range. Okay, because there is a gap in this particular zone. Okay, so chances are high we can see this gap can be filled and a further upside movement we can see. Now you have to understand two things. Overall trend is downside, and if started going above a level of $3.0570, a further upside movement we can see, or if it crosses this particular zone, we will see it will cross a level of 3.5, and if it can move further upside after that. Okay, but if it started going below a level of $2.5, a further downfall we can see, and once started moving below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.2, and if started going below this particular level, we will see it will go below this zone. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll go with the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.